How long does it take to see returns from SEO? There are a lot of myths and misconceptions out there, but we're here to set the record straight. Let's start with the basics. SEO timeframes. SEO isn't an overnight success story. It's more like a fine wine. It just gets better with time. Typically, SEO efforts can start showing tangible results anywhere from 4 to 6 months. But that's just the start. SEO grows in effectiveness over time, often showing its true value at the 12-month mark and beyond. Why the wait, you ask? SEO is a multifaceted strategy. There are 3 things to look at here. The first is content maturation. Quality content is king, but even the best content needs time to gain traction, build backlinks, and rise in search rankings. Next on the list is authority building. Establishing your site as an authoritative source in your niche doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent content creation and engagement. And finally, algorithm adaptations. Search engines are constantly updating. What works today might need tweaking tomorrow, so SEO strategies must evolve. Now let's take a look at SEO progress signs. This is where many get it wrong. It's not just about ranking for a handful of keywords. SEO is far more nuanced. Here are a few signs to look out for. Impressions before clicks. The first sign of SEO improvement is usually an increase in impressions. This means your content is starting to show up in search results more often. A critical first step before clicks and conversions. Quality over quantity. Don't fixate on just your rank for high competition keywords. You might rank number 10 for a broad term like project management software, but you could be number 2 for a far more targeted phrase like benefits of project management software. The latter can be far more valuable as it's actually bringing in clicks to your site, even if it's a lower volume term. Clicks and engagement. Ultimately, the goal is to increase organic clicks, not just ranks. More clicks mean more potential customers are finding and visiting your site through search engines. Now, let's take a look at Startup Voyager's accelerated SEO strategy. At Startup Voyager, we've perfected the art of delivering SEO results in weeks, not months. Our approach is tailored and dynamic, focusing on rapid gains without sacrificing quality. Here's a closer look at how we do it. Number 1 is smart content creation. We produce data-backed content designed to rank well and resonate with your target audience right out the gates. Number 2, continuous optimization. Our strategies aren't set in stone. We adapt based on real-time analytics to keep pushing your rankings higher and faster. Number 3, strategic targeting. We focus on achievable goals, like capturing high conversion, industry-relevant keywords, leading to quicker, noticeable results. And finally, we're conversion-focused. We know that clicks aren't the only thing you're after. It's conversions. That's why we create content with this in mind, along with implementing tons of conversion optimization strategies to make sure that uptick in clicks leads to an uptick in conversions too. Just look at our testimonials page for a peek at what we're capable of. So while SEO is a long game, there are ways to expedite success without cutting corners. If you're looking for faster, effective SEO results, it's time to talk to Startup Voyager. Don't just wait for SEO to happen. Make it happen.